Some pork al pastor tacos. Here's the quick recipe for the marinade. I'll pop it up at the end. It's really easy to make from scratch. It's way cheaper than the Amazon stuff I bought that was $30 for 2 little jars. This thing was massive. I got in trouble for stinking up the house, but it was still amazing smelling, both upstairs and downstairs. Once it's done, you really need to let it cool, because I need to pull those stems off. But just like Dexter with his kill room, you need a pastor room, because this stuff gets everywhere. So mix it slowly and in small batches. Since it was so heavy, I used these metal spatula holders to mix it. Makes a big difference, but man, did it smell damn good. Went in for a little nappy nap in the fridge. Taking it out and put it outside to load it up. It looked amazing. So I think we're ready. Took off the tops of the pineapple, set, and let's go. So nothing exciting here. It's really just 12-inch trumpos. Got 2 trays. You can get them on Amazon. I think I put the links in the video description. You just move the marinade around, stretch it out, load it up. Throw in some pineapple rings when you remember to. Even the little pieces get thrown in there because it all cooks and sticks together. It's just absolutely amazing, and wait till you see the color. This was 3 boneless pork butts. I sliced myself, saved the slicing charge at the grocery store. But the nice thing about the Lone Star cabinet is I'm not limited in height, so I am using my tallest spikes at 12. When I had my Lone Star 42 pellet smoker, I was limited to 10 inches, so this 12 inches really makes a big difference and really gets me the ability to add that extra butt across these 2. So, and you'll see I'm still going to have room, so I probably could have done 4, to be honest. And next time I probably will, because I can't tell you how amazing this is. Very popular. My dogs are going crazy, so Harlow's messing with Bella. Thank God I had the sound off. But just pack it in there, top it off with the remaining pieces. I used that pineapple juice and that sprayer with apple juice. You gotta strain it though, because I had the little marinade bits in there. Homemade, very affordable, tons left. Just absolutely amazing. I'm gonna brush this all on when I take it over to the smoker. I should have used a full-size cooking sheet, because I made an absolute mess. Make sure you rinse it and give it a lot of water. I got my split, we call them the Camacho, ready for my Lone Star cabinet. I should have split this into 2 pieces. It was a little bit too big for this charcoal basket. Makes a difference. Finally found a use for that side table. I think it's so freaking annoying with the door in the way. That's my Camacho, adding that little extra kiss of smoke in the cabinet. We're ready to get rolling. This is just warming up. We're only at like 75 degrees or something. Plugged in, dialed in. We're ready to shut the door and let this puppy take a nap. I don't do anything, leave the door shut, I don't peek, I don't cheat, let it go for 3 hours. Just let it go.
3 hours later.
Oh, hell yeah. Yahtzee! That is good. That's only 3 hours in. Then I spritzed it. Again, apple juice and that pineapple juice strained. I had that extra marinade, but I didn't need it. So I just spritzed this every 30, 45 minutes. I mean, it smelled amazing. I wanted to dive in already, but I'm only 3 hours in. temp wasn't right. They're definitely gorgeous. Yeah, ridiculous. Does not suck. Peppers just make it pop. I'm telling you, homemade is the way to go. Literally opened and was an oh my god moment. Great carryover. I just let it hold temp as the cabinet is cooling down. Got up to 165 like a champ. But look at that. Bam! My best cook of this so far, and I've done this probably 4 or 5 times now. That's not burnt, that's the char from the pineapple apple juice. Sliced in. I'm going to vacuum seal it here. There's that cooking sheet I needed earlier. Take this inside. Throw it in my JBR Vac 100. Thing is a godsend. Definitely one of the trifectas of things you need. Definitely doing my happy dance. I didn't have any onions cut up this time, but I couldn't not sample it. Put some Cholula on there, and this was lunch the next day. So freaking good. Packed some, took some to my son. He's a UTSA pitcher. Said it was amazing. Loved the musica. And then here, I'll leave up Susie's marinade recipe. I changed it, added a little more garlic, a little more chicken stock, more anchos, more chipotle peppers. So this was for a double recipe, and this did 3 butts. I could have done 4. Enjoy.